So this is the first time I've seen the LineFly in action in the field. I've seen the Line Spider. PLP and Fulcrum worked together to develop that several years back. And then they've recently introduced the LineFly, which is hoisted up with another robot and then dropped onto the line and installs the product.
We have 2 operators. They're sitting there with remote controls. We operate out of an F-150 pickup truck with our trailer, and that's our entire crew. So extremely easy to mobilize. We can go wherever we want. We can go 1 kilometer in either direction from that point that we're sitting. This is kind of like the Tesla of installation robots. We're constantly updating, making them more robust, creating more programs in them, lessening the weight so we can add more spacers, that type of stuff.
If you're familiar with bundle conductor, we have to put employees on the conductors in spacer cart buggies and pull them or self-propel themselves from structure to structure to install the spacers. With that comes a lot of safety concerns. Fulcrum reached out to us several months ago. We got in touch with them, watched their technology, kind of really fell in love with it, so we started using them. It has been huge. We've took the human safety element out of it.
New technology can always be a challenge, something that not everybody's accustomed to. Just getting out here and seeing the benefits of what we see on the line makes all the difference. I mean, I think if anyone had an opportunity to see what we've seen and just the increased productivity, the increased safety, makes it a little bit easier to digest that change.
The safety aspect of this would definitely outweigh the benefits of utilizing an aircraft, for sure. I think over time it's definitely going to be faster and faster, and it's going to increase, production on that aspect as well. An aircraft can just stay focused, and that would increase the production rates moving forward.
They pre-programmed the GPS in there and then got it close, and then with the little propellers lined it up and installed the spacers, and they did a bunch of them in much quicker time than it would take us to even set up a basket. And the safety factor where our guys aren't up there and it's all automated or hands off is a great step in the right direction.
Productivity-wise, we have made great strides having our employees work in the next section while the robot stays behind and finishes out the spacers. So we can't speak nothing but good things for it right now.
Safety is a huge aspect of what we do out here. And having technology that can help us out with that is just a great resource and something we're always looking towards, and just the benefits we've seen has just been tremendous.